Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a column design using working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete square column using working stress method that carries an axial bending load of 400 kips and a minimum eccentricity. Design criteria as follows: strength of concrete 5000 psi, vertical bars 1-inch diameter bar grade 60, lateral tie bars 3 8-inch diameter bar grade 33, steel ratio 4%. The column carries an axial load of 400 kips. Assume a self-weight of 2.8 kips for a total load of 402.8 kips. Enumerate input parameters required. Column name C8, square shape tied column, floor designation, footing to second, unsupported height 10 feet 6 inches, vertical bars 1-inch diameter at grade 60, lateral bars 3 8-inch diameter at grade 33, strength of concrete 5000 psi, steel ratio 4%, axial bending with minimum eccentricity, and total load of 402.8 kips. Given Fc prime equals 5000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, Fy equals 60,000 psi, the balance section properties are as follows: N equals 7.195, M equals 14.12. The reduction factor is 0.86, and the nominal load is 468.37 kips. The gross area of column is 249.33 square inches for a side of 16 inches. Given AG equals 256 square inches and 4% steel ratio, the area of steel is 10.24 square inches. The number of bars for 1-inch diameter is 16. 3 8-inch diameter tie bar spacing are as follows: 6 at 4 inches, 4 at 6 inches, rest at 10 inches. The minimum eccentricity is 1.6 inches. The balance eccentricity is 8.76 inches, greater than 1.6 inches. Therefore, the section is compression controlled. Bending moment is 749.39 inch kips, and moment of inertia is 9194.66. The actual axial stress is 1.83 and actual bending stress is 0.65. The allowable axial stress is 2.89 and allowable bending stress is 2.25. The combined shear and moment stress is 0.922, which passes the adequacy test. Design results are as follows: Fc prime equals 5000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, column size is 16 inches by 16 inches by 10 feet 6 inches, vertical bars of grade 60, 16 pieces 1-inch diameter bar, lateral ties of grade 33, 3 8-inch diameter bar, 3 sets spacing, 6 at 4 inches, 4 at 6 inches, rest at 10 inches. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.